So we're gonna review a recipe again. We've got this book written by Todd Wilbur. I got 2 of his books. We had good luck with the KFC coleslaw recipe. Came out really good. So now we're gonna do this, the KFC buttermilk biscuits. The ingredients, we've got butter, sugar, eggs, buttermilk. One of the odd ingredients you wouldn't expect to find is half a cup of club soda, 1 tablespoon salt, and 5 cups Biscuit mix. Now, evidently when they make them, this says when they make them on site, they have a powdered mix that they put, let's see, they put the buttermilk in when they actually make them. So let's try it. It's supposed to make 18 biscuits. They're 3/4 of an inch thick when you roll them out to make them. 5 cups seems like a lot of flour mix, but we'll give it a try, see what we get. So here we are. You can see it's come together as a mass. What we've done is we put all the ingredients in. I mixed it with a fork a little, but then you actually get in there with your hands and have it, work it until it forms one mass, and you want to stop then because you don't want to overwork. So here we have our biscuits before they go in the oven at 450 degrees for 15 minutes. I'll check that time. So here we are at our moment of truth. It looks like a biscuit. Let's taste it. Put just a little bit of butter on it here. I'm not going to put much, so oh, it crumbles like a biscuit. It's good. I'm not sure if I would go down in the salt a bit, but that's just probably my own personal feelings about it. But I think we have a good biscuit. We'll put the ingredients next, but the odd ingredients are the club soda, the buttermilk, also the sugar. Normally you don't put sugar in biscuits. And this started with a base of Biscuit. That's how the recipe was written. And the Biscuit has the other leavening agents in it. So we didn't put out any of those in, although some could argue the club soda, releasing its bubble during the cooking process, could leaven it. In other words, these forms bubbles, and that makes the biscuit expand and become light and fluffy type, or flaky.